tower, runway 30 left, cleared for takeoff, right turn, correction flight runway heading. Night 31, maintenance frequency. Super cover 63712, daily tower, IDAN transition approved, enter above 3005, section at 3500, daily altimeter 2991. 3,500, IDAN. Super 712, flight 02 F-18, departing gateway, right turn, we'll be making a right turn eastbound. I'll be left to Archer 1 Whiskey Golf, as soon as practical, start your right crosswind for 2 F-18s, departing runway 30 left, right turn eastbound. Going in on spot 1. This 4 Sierra 5 caution, wake turbulence, 2 F-18s, departing full length, runway 30 left, cleared to land. That is Joe Delta Mike Gateway tower runway 30 center, cleared for the option flight runway heading. Short approach approved, runway 30 right, clear, touch and go. 30 right, let's go, 931 flight, traffic 2 miles northeast of the airport, southwestbound, altitude indicates 3,500, and super cub right turn eastbound approved. Contact Phoenix 4123.7 or 358.34, correction, 353.8 with your request.